So, two of the greatest of all time, over half a lap in this one. Fraser Price in 6, Schippers in 2. And the Jamaican leads into the straights. Save 3 Jamaicans who took the clean sweep in the 100, back for the 200 metres here. Fraser Price, Masalingi coming through in 2nd. And a photo for 3rd, unofficially 22.23 seconds. So the 2nd fastest woman of all time, Gabby Thomas, 21.61, going well in lane number 2. And Jobu of Zambia on the outside line. But the American looking good, and woman of Namibia on her shoulder now. And it will be the Namibian that unofficially runs 22.11 seconds.
With his 3rd jump, Jawan Harrison has just forced his way into the top lane, 7th with 7.96.
アウトビー、アメリカのハリソン、3回目7メートル96、7位に上がります。
Strawn of the Bahamas, looking good in lead number 5. Unofficially 22.76. So Emmanuel of Canada going well in lane 6, Dobby of Great Britain, Northern Ireland on the outside. In control, Thompson Hera of Jamaica in lane number 4. Crystal Emmanuel of Canada, and Beth Dobbin of Great Britain, Northern Ireland, and also Elaine Thompson Hera.
ハワイトビア5回目、アメリカのハリソンが8メートル15、3番目に上がります。そして日本の橋岡優輝。
Jawan Harrison's gone into 3rd place in the long jump with 8.15.
Brandini running well into the home straight. The American, Dave from Australia on the outside. Bass of Gambia currently in the 2nd automatic qualifying spot. Brandini, Bass and Day, 22.